What's going on, everyone? My name is Bruno and this is my STA Season 2 Semi-Finals against the Miami Infernapes and Coach WMAR. So, we are ready for semi-finals. Really nervous for this game. WMAR was actually one of our 2 losses during the regular season. And we are facing him again for semi-finals. Of course, we faced off against Goldua last week. We had a win, which really is not actually something that really happens during playoffs. But yeah, I finally won the game. I would love to win another to go into finals. And of course, win this all season. So we are just waiting for the communication to just advance into team preview. And we'll see what WMR brings to this game. Last time, he brought some mons that I was not expecting. Mainly Taurus, which he got a crit on my bronze on, which sucked for during the game. Got an Hypnosis with a little Persian. Brought Auroras as well, which was really a really interesting bring. Did some stuff. So he brought a lot of different stuff. So no Auroras at this point. No Larias. Wow. There's no Larias. Okay, so I just brought a... I just brought what's it called? Bug Buzz Volcarona for no reason, because literally I only need Fairy Dance and Giga. Really want to get rid of Talent Flame really early. In terms of leads, I kind of want to lead with the Rotom, because I mean I can lead with the Landorus as well. I don't think there's... The thing is, if I lead with the Landorus, if he leads with the Urshifu, it's kinda of a struggle. If he leads with... I'm gonna lead Rotom. Or I can go for a more offensive lead and lead with Mincha. But if he leads with Talonflame, that's the thing. Okay, I'm gonna lead with the Rotom. I don't have Will-O-Wisp, that's the thing. I have X, which I don't need actually. We'll see. The lead is Rotom. We'll play from there. So good luck, have fun to WMR, and let's hope for a good one. Semi-finals of STA, and we'll try to make finals. The plan here is to try to win with he can lead Taurus actually, like last time. Let's see. That's Taurus. Again, same lead. Okay. So the plan here is to Thunder Wave, I guess. Yeah, the plan here is to Thunder Wave. If I have Will-O-Wisp, would be a lot better. I'm just going to Thunder Wave. And yeah, let's go for a Body Slam. And yeah, it does a lot of damage. I'm gonna go for a Thunder Wave. And yeah, got this Tauros on the... Is he Scarf? I don't think he's Scarf. Did some damage, definitely. I am gonna Pain Split. I'll be probably faster than him, unless he's Scarf. But I don't think he is Scarf. Can be Sheer Force with just a Life Orb. Getting a pair on, do you think will be amazing? Would be awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a Pain Split. Gonna recover some health, not much. Okay, so I really have to be aware. Yeah, that does a lot of damage. Okay, so I'm gonna Volt Switch. And I'm gonna go into the Bronzong, and then I'm gonna pivot into yeah, that does a lot. Then I pivot into Landorus, and I U-turn, and I get a kill. So let me go into the Bronzong. And we'll play from there. So it gets paralyzed, which is great. And then I'm gonna go into the Landorus. Actually, I could go into the Minchao. I'm still gonna go into Landorus and gain an Intimidate. And I U-turn, and I should get a kill. On the play I can do is just knock off. I think it's pretty safe. He's gonna switch out, okay. He's gonna go into the Among Us, which is weird because this is actually my the Bronzong is actually my switch into Among Us. I'm not sure of what Among Us will do. I'm just gonna U-turn. If you want to spore, I will have so his helmet on the Among Us, which is nice information. I'm gonna go into Bronzong and I click Stealth Rocks. That's the play here. Okay, so he's gonna go for Stun Spore. I have Safety Goggles, so he doesn't have Spore, he has Stun Spore. I'm gonna go for Stealth Rocks. If he wants to switch out, he can do it, no problem. So he's gonna switch out into what? Manslaughter is Corviknight. Okay, I'm gonna go for Rocks. Should I go Landers? Another play I can make is going to actually into Rotom and try to Pain Split. Yeah, I'm gonna do that play. If he defogs, he defogs. Okay, so he's gonna switch out. He's gonna go into Robin, which is the Talonflame. Okay. So the nice thing here is that I'm gonna Pain Split. I'm gonna gain leftovers and I'm gonna Pain Split. And I'm max HP, max defense, so I don't think there's anything this Talonflame can do to me. So as much as I would love to Thunder Wave this thing, I'm gonna Pain Split. Okay, so it's gonna U-turn. So something. Yeah, I take it. So I'm gonna gain a Pain Split here. I hope he's on the Among Us, so I can Volt Switch next turn. We'll see. He can bring the Taurus, sack it off. Now brings Ong, which is comfy. Which honestly, I don't mind. Yeah, that's a nice Volt Switch. That's a nice amount of HP recovered. I wonder if I should go into Landorus and just Earthquake. I can go Zong and click Toxic as well, which wouldn't be terrible. Let's do the Comfy is kind of annoying for both Weavile and Minchao. Let's do the Landorus play. I can U-turn next. He can most likely go for Leech Seed. Let's see what he does. So, let's see. Aromatherapy. Okay, so he stops the what's it called? The paralysis on Taurus, which is fine. I kind of want to go for Earthquake. I'm gonna do it. If he goes for Corviknight, I Smackdown and Earthquake next. He goes for Synthesis, okay. So I'm gonna be able to click a powerful Earthquake. Let's see. Does damage. I'm not sure what item he has. I'm still gonna U-turn. So he showed Aromatherapy and Synthesis, which is fine. I'm just gonna U-turn. If he brings the Corviknight, I bring Rotom and I Volt Switch. Okay, so he goes for Synthesis, then I'm gonna bring I am gonna bring the Bronzong. Alright. I'm gonna bring the Bronzong. And I guess I click Future Sight. Here. He most likely goes into the Corviknight, which will be fine. Which would be fine by me. So he's gonna go into Robin, which is Talent Flame. Okay. So I go for Future Sight. Now I'm not afraid of going into Rotom here, because if he goes, if he U-turns, he's gonna take a Future Sight with something. If he goes Among Us, for example. Let's see. Goes for Defog. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I wonder if I should go for a Volt Switch here. Yeah. I don't see a switching for Volt Switch plus Future Sight. So I'm gonna go for Volt Switch. And let's see. Decides to go for a U-turn. So I will go for Volt Switch. And let's see what it decides to bring. Best case scenario is the Among Us. We'll see. So that's Among Us. That's awesome. That's awesome. Because now I am gonna go into U, honestly, and just U-turn. I'm gonna go U. So he's gonna take a Future Sight. Yeah, but you died to U-turn, right? Can I knock off? I mean, I'm gonna U-turn. I have Bronzong as a safe play. Okay, so he's gonna switch out. Manslaughter is the Corviknight, so I'm gonna U-turn. Yes, and then again I bring the Rotom. So his helmet, but that doesn't matter. Then again I bring the Rotom. I gain leftovers. Yes. So leftovers. Nice. And I Volt Switch. I really need to weak the that Talent Flame. So I'm gonna Volt Switch pretty safely. He's gonna stay in. That's damage, okay. So I don't think he Brave Birds. So I'm gonna go into U, into the Minchao. Because I don't think he Brave Birds. And he's gonna go for U-turn. So if he brings the Comfy, what should I do here? Is the thing. What should I do? Let's see what he does. I can bring the Urshifu, thinking he's faster. He's not. He's not faster. We'll see. Katara is Urshifu. Honestly, I kind of want to close combat this thing into Oblivion. I think I'm gonna do it, honestly. I'm gonna close combat. I need damage on this thing, so... yeah. That's really good damage. I don't care if I die. That's really good damage. Goes for Surging Strikes. So, your Minchao is gonna die. Yeah. So, Urshifu kills Minchao. Urshi kills Minchao. But I'm gonna go Rotom. And I click Volt Switch. And I click Volt Switch. I think that's the play. And he most likely is gonna switch out. He's gonna close combat. Okay, so he's faster. I live and I kill the Urshifu, which is amazing. So Rotom kills Urshifu, which is great. And honestly, I'm gonna go into the Landorus. I'm gonna go into the Landorus. And let's see what he brings. I can still recover with Oaks King. Okay, I think I kill you, don't I? Or do you kill me? It's hard to tell. I'm gonna Earthquake. I think I can leave a hit. Goes for Blizzard, he misses, okay. Weird, I'm sorry, but I mean, it's Blizzard. So, Landorus kills Taurus. Landorus kills Taurus. Let's see, really like Weavile. Manslaughter is the Corviknight. I can't go Rotom. I'm gonna smack down. Actually, can I knock off? Gonna knock off. Right. So there's a knock. And he goes for Roost. Okay, so I could have taken this opportunity to go into Rotom. Can try to go into you. It's not, maybe not the best play ever. I'm gonna Smackdown. Let's see if he decides to stay in. Go for Iron Defense, okay. Then I'm gonna Earthquake. Earthquake is the play. Let's see how much that does. Not much. You'll most likely Roost. Yes. I'm gonna switch into I'm gonna switch into Volcarona. That's kind of scary. If I lose this... If I lose Volcarona, do I lose the game? No, because I think... He's not gonna Brave Bird, right? Let's see if he Brave Birds. At least it does. He hasn't a boost on the attack, so... let's see. Goes for Roost, okay. So, I'm gonna go for a Fiery Dance. Go for a B hit here. Fiery Dance is the play. So he's gonna switch out probably into the Talent Flame, which I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose the Volk. Let's see how much that does. That's really good damage. I have to go into Bronzong. You have to go into the Bronzong. He showed Defog, U-turn. Okay, so he has dual wing beat. Does he have fire move? I'm gonna go for Stealth Rocks. Yes, U-turn. Let's see what he brings here. Manslaughter, that's the Corviknight. Okay, so I'm gonna set up my Stealth Rocks. Not gonna lie, I kinda wanna go Rotom. But at this point I can't really go Rotom. I can go Landorus and the U-turn. Let's see. Yeah, it's been mirror armor. I remember now. That kind of sucks. He goes for body press, so thank God I didn't do that. And I'm gonna take this opportunity to go into the Rotom. So I'm gonna U-turn. So he iron defenses, and I can pain split after that. Okay, so let's try to go Rotom here. Please don't iron defense. Goes U-turn. Live. Thank you. Okay, so it's been kind of hard to recover with Rotom. Yeah, what should I do here? What should I do? He's most likely gonna U-turn. That's the thing. Should I sack? Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Bronzong. I think I have a plan. I'm gonna go into the Bronzong. Okay, so it's gonna U-turn most likely. Nice. Brings probably the Corviknight. Yes. So he showed body press and U-turn. Roost and Iron Defense. So he doesn't have a move for it doesn't have a move for the it doesn't have a move for what's it called? The Volcarona. So I'm gonna Future Sight. He's gonna go for body press. Okay, fine. I'm gonna go for a Future Sight. And the play is to go into Volk and click Quiver Dance. And let's see what he does. Goes for body press. Okay, so burn will be amazing here. I don't get it. Either way, I am gonna go for a Quiver Dance. And we'll see. So he's gonna switch out. He's gonna go into Ong, which is the Comfy. I'm gonna Quiver. And honestly, he's gonna take the Future Sight. And I click a Fiery Dance here. I click Fiery Dance here. And let's see what it does. Okay, so he's gonna let me kill the Comfy with Fiery Dance. Yes. So Volk kills Comfy. Volcarona kills Comfy. Okay, so he's gonna bring the Talonflame. I am gonna go into Landorus. I'm gonna switch out. He's probably gonna go for dual Wing Beat. I don't really need Landorus anymore. So I gain the Intimidate. He's gonna miss the dual Wing Beat, which really sucks for him. I am gonna go for a U-turn, predicting the Corviknight. He's gonna go for a U-turn. If he goes the Corviknight, I Pain Split all down to the all my health back, which is amazing. Or I can bring the yeah, brings the Mungus. Then I bring the I kinda bring the Weavile here, not gonna lie. And I triple axle. Okay, so his helmet. I am gonna bring the Weavile here. Or actually I bring Scotty. And just Fairy Dance. What's the best play? Maybe is the that's a big deal. I'm gonna bring you because it stops the Corviknight Knight from coming in. So I'm gonna Fire Dance. And I kill the Among Us. So Volcarona kills Among Us. Volcarona kills Among Us. I gain a special attack boost, which is great, but I really need to... I need Volk to win the game. It goes into the Talonflame here. I am gonna go into Landorus. Or into Bronzong Gun, actually. Yeah, I go Zong here. I go Zong. On the dual Wing Beat, that's fine. I'm gonna set up a Future Sight. Future Sight. Let's see what he decides to do. He's gonna go for a U-turn, right? But the play is gonna be the same. He's gonna be going to the Volcarona, click Fairy Dance, try to win from there. So he goes into the Corviknight. I'm gonna go for Future Sight. I am gonna bring the Volcarona. And yeah, let's see. He's gonna go for a U-turn, which is fine by me. And honestly, I think... Does he click U-turn here? I think he clicks U-turn. I am gonna go for... that's tricky. That's tricky. That's the thing, Rotom doesn't leave a... Rotom doesn't leave a dual Wing Beat. I don't think he dual Wing Beats. Let's Quiver Dance. Oof, nice. Okay, so I Quiver Dance here. And let's see. Quiver Dance. So it takes the Future Sight. That's really nice damage. Do I kill with I don't think I kill. I honestly don't think I kill. It's so close. I don't think I kill. Let's go for Fairy Dance. Let's risk it. Okay, Fairy Dance. Oh, so close, dude. Dual Wing Beat. I can leave that. Yes, nice, and I'm gonna win the game. I think I win the game. Fairy Dance, there's no priority on Talonflame, I think. Nice, okay, so I think we make finals. So Volk Yeah, Volcarona kills Talonflame. Volcarona is being such a beast. Such a beast. And Volcarona will most likely kill the Corviknight for some reason. If he doesn't, I still have Rotom that can Pain Split. Yeah, there's no reason, there's no way you live. So this is gonna be a 5-0 win against WMR. Yeah, that worked really. Yeah, so we are gonna make finals. Really happy by that. GG to WMR. This game worked way better than the last one, and that's way better for me, I guess. Yeah, that's we're really happy to make finals. Let's one more game, guys, till I can finally win a game again, a league again. This time audio is, I'm pretty sure it's fine because I made a test before the battle for once. And yeah, guys, really happy to make finals, and really excited to play next week. I'm gonna play either Harry or T-Roll Price, so the first seed or the third seed in the regular season. Really excited for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. GG's again to WMR, and yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next battle. So peace, guys.